Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on the possibility of severe thunderstorms across the Arklatex during the latter stages of Saturday and especially Saturday evening. You can see the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center shows a slight to enhanced risk over the Arklatex, with the risk probably looking highest over the eastern half of southwest Arkansas and the extreme northeastern sections of northwest Louisiana, that orange area that you see there. All severe weather threats will be possible with very large hail, one of the main threats. Damaging wind also will accompany some of the thunderstorms, and there is a possibility we could see a few tornadoes as well. So let's get into the latest from Futurecast as far as the possible timing of these storms. And you can see that as we go through the nighttime hours tonight, we will become mostly cloudy across the Arklatex. A small chance for a scattered shower will return to the area during the night tonight. Then tomorrow we begin with a cloudy sky. I expect a few peaks of sunshine to emerge. It's possible we could see a scattered thunderstorm in advance of the cold front. Now, Futurecast shows the storms beginning to develop sometime during the middle of the afternoon near or a little bit northwest of Interstate 30. These storms, once they get going, will then make their way towards the south and east, arriving in Texarkana sometime very late in the afternoon or early evening, and then continuing to progress their way through the rest of the Arklatex during the evening hours. It looks like we'll be pretty much done with the severe weather threat by anywhere from 9 to 11 o'clock. Now, there is some model differences here. Other high-res models show the storms not developing until very late in the afternoon or perhaps early evening, and then moving through the Arklatex quickly during the evening hours. Whatever the timing, we are going to be looking at all these severe weather threats. Let's focus first on the possibility of hail. And you can see the outlook here from Futurecast shows where hail will be possible. It does appear as if we could have several reports of up to golf ball sized hail with some of these thunderstorms, especially over the eastern half of the Arklatex during the latter stages of Saturday afternoon as well as Saturday evening. Damaging wind will accompany the storms, and it's also possible that we could see a few tornadoes. This is the latest outlook on rotation potential from Futurecast. You can kind of see a little bit of an uptick as they get going, but basically this is the part of the Arklatex here where that risk may be highest. The northeastern, say, quarter of the region over southwest Arkansas and the northeastern sections of northwest Louisiana. Notice we have the swaths pretty much everywhere, but they're much more numerous further to the north and east and stronger, so that's probably where the risk of any tornadoes will be at its highest. As far as rainfall potential, that likely not going to cause too many issues, as the latest from Futurecast shows that we are going to be looking at a good chance of seeing 1 inch to 2 inches over much of southwest Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. Further to the west, where the storms develop actually east of these areas, amounts probably will be less than 1/4 inch over much of East Texas and McCurtain County in southeast Oklahoma. Once the system moves out, we will see a quiet weather pattern settle in as temperatures across the Arklatex will ease Sunday, as we are looking at temperatures Saturday more than likely climbing into the middle 80s across a good chunk of the area. Quick look at the forecast for tonight shows that we will see the clouds increase. Again, a little bit of rain possible, but that chance looking very low, with lows tonight in the middle 60s. And then for your Saturday, again, thunderstorms will be likely. Some severe weather could occur over especially the eastern half of the area, as highs ahead of the storms will be in the middle 80s. I'll have another update later on during the course of this Friday, as again, once we get past Saturday, we'll see several days of quiet weather with more storms possible by the end of next week.